How to manage coin budget while playing Fire Kirin. First of all, open the Fire Kirin game and make sure you are logged in. To manage your coin budget effectively, start by setting a daily or session limit for how many coins you want to spend. This helps avoid overspending and keeps your gameplay fun and responsible. Next, focus on playing game modes or levels that give you the best chance to earn coins or rewards. Avoid spending too many coins too quickly if you want to make them last longer. Start by using a small amount of coins to understand the game's pattern before using more coins. This strategy helps you save coins while increasing your chances to win. Keep checking your coin balance regularly and stop playing when you reach your set limit. Also remember to claim daily rewards and join special events to get bonus coins without spending your own. Now you know how to manage your coin budget while playing Fire Kirin. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more gaming tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.